thịt cây vô. Mức đen đủ mà. Thịt cây vô nè. Tiếp tục cây vô. Tiếp tục cho. Rồi còn chuối cho tao ký. Kita mà tông nó quá nó tua đó, tua cái nó cây vô đó, tua cái nó cái cá này. Tôi này rượu thế này.
Ô, nó barbecue rồi, cái chi đây, vừa chi giọt tới nhung nó, cho lũ con làng ha, chi đồ khỏi chú nữa, chi của cú nhé chị, mà mới cho lụt trông, chi cho nó cho chi ha, tao vật chi trong cái nhung, rồi nó, chi cú trông to, ít cho lụt. Trong cây trồng nó đó, chỉ cho nó róc sủa, róc cạn chưa, cho nó cho thực ra nó róc xinh nhiều nữa, thì sa tỏ nó, thì cho nó cho róc rất khử nè, lúc thì nó biết khử rồi. Thì giờ nó rốt bón non chua Chỉ cần nó dính nữa. Sáng tỏ trong đây nó tất cả tây lụa trong cô làm sao là chị khám bên này cực chưa
I was watching the Bucks game.
Nó là bên nó mà nó
No, OT.
có một xíu nè nó tức là thay nó nè
No, right now they draw with the corner.
cho nó vô tông tông cao
I thought the game ended already.
họ nó
No, they're 16-16
cái
right
vô
now. But the corner have the last possession. So the Bucks have to stop them to go to OT.
bất cứ hậu cho họ trò
I need Brady to qualify for the playoff.
ai bùa
You on your fantasy team?
No, I mean I'm on the fantasy team. I'm going to the final next year.
là cái mà phá đi nó mà
I smashed the guy in the semifinal.
con là
I scored like 340 points.
con là tại
in
nhiều
two
kì
games.
trong
If I manage
cái
to
mà
I just watched.
look, I show you the
cái
score.
mô con
I
là
smashed him so bad that my winning percentage is
nó nói
99%.
Christmas
Hey, it's never over.
bên nó
No, it is over.
Did you see the Colts game?
qua kỳ trong
Everything
xe
they were at
Christmas
halftime, they got killed.
sợ được lòng đó
Look,
bên nó
this is what happened right now. Okay,
nó
hold
phát
on.
cơ ra
I still have one more player to play, right? And I'm already beating him.
Oh,
It's like 99.1%. So I'm going to the final. I'm going to the final.
mà bây giờ đuổi nó
Natalie, don't let your sister go far. You gotta watch her.
I got like during the draft day, I got like the 8th pick. I was like, shit, they took all the best players. Huh?
who did you take?
What took Kamara, Dalvin Cook,
Oh,
Nick Chubb,
Yeah.
Michael Pittman,
What's it?
Marcus Brown, and then I traded my Nick Chubb
Uh-oh.
for Mahomes and
Uh-oh.
T Higgins.
oh yeah?
Yeah, because when I traded Nick Chubb, he was a number 2 running back. He was the best. He was like averaging like 22 points. But after I traded it, he didn't score anything.
Oh yeah?
cho con là tới nhu
But-
các hết
Talking about value during the trading day, it was good for the guy.
tới nhu
I let go my second rank, I mean the bst running back,
một chỗ
the second best running back in the league
con là
for a quarterback. And the third running back in the league didn't even offer him that deal, so I was like, I'll take it. And then everybody was saying like, I'm fleecing the guys, like, no, what the fuck? And now I'm about to become the fantasy league champion. Only got $300 though. We all put $100 each in there, and the first place takes 600, the second place takes 400.
So how many people are in
Hey, Bob, be careful.
10?
Yeah. So I'm guaranteeing a win right now. Already guaranteed. Johnny is kind of salty. Fine. He was number 1 like for like 6-7 weeks in a row, and then his player got injured, and then he missed the playoff.
It's great. Oh, it's great. No, that's it.
Wait, 10 people?
cho con nụ con ha
You, Cole, Johnny,
Candy, Alfred, Cole, Marcus, Michael, Johnny, Andy, me. Who's the other 2? No, not Glenn. David. Another one.
David Hung?
Yeah, David Hall.
Why is he in it?
Yeah, you're
They all
fine.
play fantasy.
Yeah, but David Hung doesn't watch fantasy.
You do not.
No, David Trim.
Yeah, yeah, close dirty, close dirty.
Let's see the league.
mà cho nó trong kho tu
Hey,
nhưng
Marcus,
đỡ nó
Johnny, David, Michael, Andy, Cole, Cole,
Oh yeah. I'll grab some.
Cole, Alfred, Tim also.
Oh,
I
that's
got-
all,
I
huh?
please
No,
all of
no. Eat it. Oh my god.
Whoa, never
That's a
saw
lot
that.
of people.
That's how the price is good. Combined money. It's a lot.
What's the punishment for the last person?
Đây, một xưa đi ta.
You guys are doing the dress? You got no shirt?
No,
No,
they
no,
didn't
no.
agree to it. And now Andy was like, bro,
I put an engine
you
in, I
already
got
see
fixed
who's
it.
losing now.
This
You
one.
already set up the thing.
There's a little glitch on it.
Here's the thing, like when we
Yeah.
suggesting the punishment, nobody said nothing.
So I can fix my race car.
You're gonna get punished if we do it this year. This guy
No,
so
I mean,
dead last. You,
I haven't sent it out to get it fixed yet. I need
bro,
to
you
fix
used the
my-
most spot and you got the less point, the least point.
It's fine now we agree to it.
Yeah,
I
we
need to fix
didn't.
my
Agree.
driveline.
We didn't
It's gonna
agree
cost
to it.
me $600.
Man,
I
joking
decided
gonna
not
do
to do it.
nothing.
So, everybody keep eating, okay?
Try to.
Keep eating. Well, I'm done. I ate at home before I came.
I'm full. I ate at his house before I came too.
I ate a lot.
Huh?
I ate a lot already before we came here.
What do you? Where do you eat?
My brother's house.
Okay, so now we drink.
I can't drink no more.
Why?
Doctor's milk.
What? What happened?
I'm not allowed to drink no more. Yeah.
You like my brother? My brother, he had the acid.
No,
No, right?
I just can't drink no more.
Cause my brother, every time he drink, his joint is swelled up.
You got gout?
Huh?
You got gout?
What's that called?
It's called gout.
Gout?
Gout.
Oh, in Cambodia they call acid.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah. For example, if he eat too much beef
Yeah.
and then drink too much whiskey, in the morning he can't walk.
Yeah.
He's gonna be like limping.
One of my coworkers always do that. Every time we go out, he can't drink.
So every time he drink, he counted the can, like the beer. He's like he just ask her like he have all these can in front of him. It's like, oh shit, I'm already at my 7, and he drink black beer. So 7 is equal like 14 regular beer. It's like, hey, this is my last one. So he popped the last one. It's like, that's it. If I drink more than this, I can't walk tomorrow. Because his knee got swelled up. His knee is like swelled up, and then he can't walk. Yeah.
It's spicy, but it's good.
What do you call it here? Gout?
Oh, gout.
Gout?
I can't eat spicy, but like I like.
Over there they just call it acid.
It's the same thing, but
Yeah. Red meat and alcohol.
yeah.
It's a no-no.
I told you it was gout.
Over there they call it acid.
Mày món ta mua hay món gì à?
They call the acid level is rising. You have to take medicine every day too.
Phải biết nó mà.
Hey, how you doing?
Can't give you 5. Go get a plate.
Two.
Go get a plate.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Go get a plate. Child, give me a plate. Okay? He's still on the board.
That is so ass.
Wait, Mike. She used the fermented crab, right, on here. That's what I like.
Cầm tôi lớn không? Món tôm gì à? Không. Món tôm gì à? Nhìn nó món tôm gì?
Like she chop it up, right?
John!